One of the things that I think is really important when we're dealing with money is not to get stressed about it. But instead of waiting until you have enough money for that end goal, think about how can you build in some small rewards along the way. So let's say for every $200 that you've saved, what are you going to do? How are you going to reward yourself? So it could be a walk on the beach. It doesn't have to cost anything. It could be a coffee with a friend. It could be that you're going to give yourself that afternoon off that you've been promising yourself. Whatever it is, build some rewards into what it is that you're doing so that you can really celebrate your achievement of being diligent and reaching for what it is that you are thinking of doing with your life. Life should be fun. It should be rewarding. So just because we're saving for a goal we might be going without doesn't mean that we can't reward ourselves for our discipline and our diligence.